Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cashmere wash is probably one of the most sought-after detergents for those who cherish their cashmere garments. Its gentle formula and effective cleaning power make it a favorite among consumers who value both quality and care. Today, we will delve into the world of cashmere care, exploring what makes a detergent truly exceptional and examining the key features that set the best options apart from the rest, ensuring your luxurious cashmere pieces remain soft, vibrant, and in pristine condition for years to come. Number 5. Woolite Delicates Laundry Detergent. Experience the Woolite difference. It's gentle on your skin and clothes, keeping your favorite garments looking their best. This detergent is specially formulated to be hypoallergenic. It's tough on dirt but gentle on sensitive skin. Wash after wash, it preserves the vibrancy of your clothes. Say goodbye to fading, shrinking, and stretching. It's perfect for delicate fabrics like wool, silk, and cashmere, but also works great on cotton, satin, and polyester. Whether you hand wash or use a machine, this detergent is versatile enough to meet your needs. It works in both standard and high-efficiency washers. It's free from harsh chemicals like bleach, phosphates, and enzymes that can damage your clothes. It's the gentle care your clothes deserve. What we like? It's hypoallergenic and gentle on your skin and clothes. It keeps your clothes looking new for up to 30 washes. If you have sensitive skin or delicate clothes, this is the best choice for you. What people say? It's gentle on the fibers and cleans well. It is as gentle on your nose as it is on your clothes. No weird residue, no fading, just clean and soft. Kept my clothes as white as when I sent them. It gently cleans the most fragile fabrics and makes them smell great. Number 4. Woolite Delicates Laundry Detergent. Experience the gentle care of Woolite Delicates, the dermatologically tested detergent that's perfect for your most delicate garments. It's tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics. It's ideal for wool sweaters, silk blouses, and linen shirts. Keep your favorite clothes looking their best, wash after wash. This formula is dermatologically tested and safe for both hand washing and machine washing. It's gentle on your skin and your clothes. It helps protect against fading for up to 30 washes, keeping your clothes vibrant and fresh. Say goodbye to dull, faded colors. It's free from harsh ingredients like optical brighteners, phosphates, bleach, and dyes. It gently cleans and leaves your clothes with a light, fresh scent. With Woolite Delicates, you can confidently wash your most delicate items, knowing they're in the best hands. It's the perfect choice for gentle yet effective cleaning. What we like? This detergent is dermatologically tested and safe for all your delicate fabrics. It offers 33 loads per bottle, giving you great value. If you're looking for a gentle, fresh-scented option, this is perfect for you. What people say? It's gentle on the fibers and cleans well. It is as gentle on your nose as it is on your clothes. No weird residue, no fading, just clean and soft. Kept my clothes as white as when I sent them. It gently cleans the most fragile fabrics and makes them smell great. Number 3. Outback Gold Wool Wash. Introducing Outback Gold Wool Wash, the perfect solution for cleaning your delicate items. Its plant-based formula is gentle yet effective, leaving your clothes feeling soft and fresh. It's mild enough for baby clothes and those with sensitive skin. This neutral pH formula is free of harsh chemicals and enzymes, making it a safe choice for the whole family. Outback Gold Wool Wash gently cleans and softens your wool, cashmere, silk, and other delicate fabrics. It uses plant-based cleaners and natural conditioners for a naturally soft finish. It's safe for the environment and won't harm septic systems. This eco-conscious choice helps you care for your clothes and the planet. Use it for machine or hand washing. It's gentle enough for hand washing delicate items and compatible with both traditional and high-efficiency washing machines. Outback Gold Wool Wash is suitable for a wide range of fabrics, including wool, silk, cashmere, baby items, and more. It leaves everything clean, fresh, and naturally softened. What we like? It's made with plant-based cleaners and is eco-friendly. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin and baby items. If you are environmentally conscious and have sensitive skin, this is the one for you. What people say. Cleans and deodorizes my cashmere, lamb's wool, merino and wool blends like never before. Works in the washing machine. Work to clean my foul biohazard of a sheepskin throw thingy too. Clean, soft and even smells good now. And I didn't use much of the shampoo at all. They look brand new. This stuff works with just 2 caps full per rug. Wash each rug separately, gentle agitation, short soak, rinse and short spin. Dry draped over something to provide ventilation. Number 2. Laundress Wool and Cashmere Shampoo. It's now double concentrated with bio-based ingredients for a gentle yet effective clean. This updated formula is perfect for hand or machine washing your delicate garments. It's suitable for wool, cashmere, merino, mohair, and blends. Experience beautifully clean results without harsh chemicals. It features a lightweight consistency for easier and less messy dosing. Use it with our washable laundry measuring cup for precise measurements, sold separately. It has a modern take on a traditional woodsy fragrance. The cedar scent is softer for a gentler clean, leaving your clothes smelling fresh. One bottle provides up to 31 laundry loads with a medium dose. It's economical and efficient for your delicate laundry needs. This product is designed to provide the best possible care for your wool and cashmere garments. Enjoy the luxury of beautifully clean and fresh clothes. What we like. This double concentrated formula is effective and long-lasting. It has a pleasant cedar scent and provides 31 loads. If you like a luxurious and effective wash, this is a great option. What people say. It effectively removes dirt, sweat, and oils while preserving the fabric's integrity and softness. The concentrated nature of the formula means that a little goes a long way, making it both economical and efficient. Just a small amount is needed for a thorough clean, which extends the life of the product. Gentle on delicate fabrics, it helps prevent pilling, maintains the softness and shape of your favorite sweaters. Number 1. Cashmere Wool Delicates Shampoo. This detergent is specially formulated for cashmere, wool, and other delicate fabrics. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your clothes, leaving them soft and clean. It's versatile. Use it for hand washing or in your machine. It's perfect for all your delicate laundry needs. It's non-toxic, biodegradable, and allergen-free, making it a safe choice for your family and the environment. This highly concentrated formula provides 42 loads, giving you long-lasting value. A little goes a long way. It's made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. Give your delicate garments the luxurious care they deserve. Say goodbye to harsh detergents and hello to soft, clean clothes. What we like. This detergent is highly concentrated, providing 42 loads. It's also non-toxic and allergen-free. If you are looking for a highly concentrated, scentless option, this is perfect for you. What people say. Its gentle formula was specifically designed for delicate fabrics like cashmere, ensuring that my garments were treated with the utmost care. I appreciated that it's free from harsh chemicals, as this gave me peace of mind knowing that my cashmere fibers were not being compromised. What impressed me the most was how effective the detergent was in removing dirt, stains, and odors from my cashmere items. Despite its gentle nature, it managed to lift away impurities without causing any damage or shrinkage. My garments came out of the wash looking and feeling as good as new, with no loss of softness or color vibrancy. Wow, did all of them come out soft, gorgeous, and smelling great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.